Hello everyone. In this video we are going to know what's the difference between Britain and British. Well, this might sound so easy to some people, but believe me, the word British is still confusing to some others. Alright, so what is the difference between Britain and British? Well, Britain is a country, while British is anything that's relating to Britain. Now we know that Britain is a country and it is made up of 3 different countries. The first one is England and its capital is London. The second one is Scotland and its capital is Edinburgh. Lastly, the third one is Wales and its capital is Cardiff. So this is what Britain is. And people who live in Britain are British. British people are citizens of Britain or Great Britain. So Britain is a country, British is the people, British is a nationality. Just like China, for example. China is a country and a person who is from China is a Chinese. Japan is a country, a person who is from Japan is Japanese. America is a country and a person who is from America is American. Britain is a country and a person who is from Britain is British. Alright. Now, I hope that the difference between Britain and British is very clear. So please don't mix it up, because I usually get this question, hello Idriss, how are you? How is British? It's not British. So please don't say British. It's Britain. The country is Britain. You might say Britain, Great Britain, the United Kingdom or the UK, but not British. British are the people. Finally, I would like to thank you for your time and for watching. So thank you so much indeed. Until next time, bye.